Alright guys, it looks like we are back again. Here is my ecosystem dashboard, guys, and for the first time we've cracked the 30,000 mark for my ecosystem dashboard, and that of course is because Shiba Inu is pumping. We are up 50% of the day, and we have broken past our all-time high. We have put on close to 5 billion in over a period of not very long, I think about 12 hours. We are sitting at a market cap of 16 billion, guys. Congratulations to all the Shiba Inu diamond hand holders who have been holding for quite a while. So we are now ranked number 11, guys. Just one spot from the top 10 cryptocurrencies on the planet. And fantastic job, for everyone who's been holding Shiba Inu. Of course, for most of us who've been watching this project, we have been anticipating this. We have been running simulations, and we had seen this coming, and we certainly been aware of the utility which is being built, and we know that certainly we have been leveraging off the meme factor which we've had, and a lot of this is paying off. A lot of things paying off. So congratulations to all those who have been holding Shiba Inu for the long term. This is the time. This is the culmination of all that we've been expecting, and that's pretty fantastic. I'm just gonna quickly head back here. So this is the current charts as it's showing here. We have a 16 billion market cap. We actually topped at a price of 4442. And that was just recently, actually, and we're seeing heavy corrections since then. Of course, several people are going to be taking profit, and that is certainly expected. But yeah, we'll just have a quick chat with this. We're currently trading at 4185 at time of recording. When I was preparing this recording, it was actually a lot closer to this 4400, which is fantastic. And also, thank you for everyone who tuned into my first ever live stream today. We live streamed when we're still at the 39 unit mark, and shortly after I got off the live stream, it looks like we broke that bit even further. The trading volume has gone up to 11 billion. I think in the previous video I made 24 hours ago, we were at 3 billion, and I did mention that a significant push in volume is going to be highly correlated to a price increase, and it looks like that's certainly what's happening at the moment, which is fantastic. So the 1 day chart here shows we've been having a steady climb since the past 24 hours. I think we were trading for a very long time, consolidating. If I was to switch to the 7 day chart, we were consolidating for a very long time at the 28,000 unit mark, and that was actually a very good sign, because it showed that nobody was selling. Not many people were selling, and we were waiting for this exact catalyst. So guys, the way that meme coins tend to behave is very different in a bull market than you would expect from other projects. They tend to go through these long periods just like this. That's because as the market susses us out. But yeah, particularly like for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. But we've been anticipating this, because the biggest difference between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, as far as I'm aware, I am a holder of Dogecoin, but I don't cover it as extensively as I do Shiba Inu, is definitely the utility. So at some point in time, the market is realizing the potential which Shiba Inu has in terms of its deflationary capacity, its utility, and also having a lower market cap than Dogecoin during this bull run. It has certainly a much stronger potential for gain. And also, there's been a lot of payment providers who are actually incentivizing people to shift from their Dogecoin to Shiba Inu, which is also fantastic, in favor of Shiba Inu. So, but I am rooting for both coins to do well, because we are obviously in a bull market scenario, as long as Bitcoin continues to go towards its expected rates. And as I said in my live stream, these two tokens here are completely different. Out of all those in the top 10 projects, we just have a mix of DeFi projects, and we have a mix of mostly blockchain technology, but only two meme-based cryptos. But of the two meme-based cryptos, Shiba Inu is vastly different, because Shiba Inu, as you know, it holds a lot of utility in terms of having a decentralized exchange where people can do yield farming and staking opportunities to receive rewards. It has an NFT platform, and it also has under development a Shiba Inu, a layer 2 blockchain, which is where there's going to be lightning fast speeds and potential of no gas fees on on NFT minting, and maybe even DeFi, which is fantastic. So a lot of work has been going into this. Shiba Inu is absolutely fantastic, guys, and the market is certainly reacting to that. And obviously, you can hear the excitement in my tone of voice, particularly in the fact that we are number 11, guys. At this stage, maybe by the time that you're watching this video, that might be a different story. But at the point of this, we are number 11. I'm going to zoom in on that. Just let that sink in for a while, guys. 16 billion market cap, and the market technically hasn't even started pumping yet. Because Bitcoin is back down to over here to 60K, and it's probably going to stay there for a little bit. And one thing which you guys should note is that when we were still trading at around the 28,000 unit box, for us to get here, that's billions of dollars which have gone in, and typically those would either come from whales or from institutional investors. Now I know that there is a tweet going around that there's a company or a firm, an investor, an institutional investor who pumped in at least 5 million worth of SHIB. That may have been a contributor. I've tried to look into it, but we're having conflicting reports as to the legitimacy of their claim. But either way, definitely big money has flown into Shiba Inu, and it's being well reflected in the price. So what do I think about this? Let's just have a quick look at my portfolio, guys, at the moment. Okay, cool. So this I'm going to do my best to try and adjust this. So my calculator says 4137. I'll leave it where it is right now because it looks like we're correcting. So I'm just going to leave it. And I do know that LEASH and BONE are also doing well. So that's 2000 on LEASH. Let's see if I need to adjust that. I'm just going to quickly go to LEASH. Where is LEASH? Okay, 2046. I'm not going to adjust that. That's been a slight increase. But LEASH is also up a massive 20%. Remember that stuff which we always said, guys, that because Shiba Inu is an ecosystem of tokens, then they tend to all go up as Shiba Inu goes up. So that's one of the reasons of holding them all together. So BONE has also gone up 20% and it's at 1.92. So what I've just done as usual, I've adjusted all my calcs to adjust that. It was, when I was preparing for this video, it was about 1.94. I'm just going to leave that there for now. BONE has currently minted about 68% of all BONE which will ever be minted. And long story short, guys, this is my portfolio. My portfolio at the moment, if you remember at the beginning, like a long time ago, it used to sit around the 5,000 unit mark. Not long ago, literally, if you look at about my portfolio, from my portfolio revelation videos about 1.5 months ago, even last month, we were at a low of about 5,800. So look at this, we've jumped up about 6x, which is a massive jump. I'm now sitting at 32,000 USD. That's phenomenal. Majority of my balance is 64% made up of SHIB, of course, which is as expected. LEASH is actually now making up 8%, and BONE as well. They make up 8% of our portfolio. So if you're wondering what this one here is, SHI, typically I had set this out for a balance which I would put for the stable coin, because as you know, as in these calculators which I've built, I'm fully prepared for the full Shiba Inu ecosystem, and this would have been the SHI stablecoin. But for now, I've actually converted into a Shiboshis balance. So this is how much I currently hold in Shiboshis. As you know, you guys, I currently hold 2 Shiboshis, and the current value at the floor price of those 2 Shiboshis is about 6,000. I haven't sold it, so I'm valuing it at the current floor price, which is about 0.8. So that 0.8 is actually very low at the moment, because most people are not focusing on NFTs at the moment. So this is probably amongst the lowest that you can probably that Shiboshis might actually go. It's probably a good time to jump in. Anyway, this is just for me to guys show you that this is where it's at. That's pretty big, and I would probably say I'm one of those mid-tier Shiba Inu holders. I would like to think several people who have bigger balances than myself are looking at holding at the very least 50K for close to close to a billion, and we have several people who are over well over 100K right now. So fantastic, well done for this achievement, SHIB Army. We are certainly seeing the results of our efforts. So we are certainly taking a trip to the moon, guys. This is absolutely fantastic, and thank you so much for those who have who tuned into the live stream. I'm gonna try and prepare for something a little bit soon, a little bit later, and for now, we'll think this is probably a good time to sign off. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I think we'll cap it at that. This is Ace. Peace.